For over 45 years, we've been helping people take their car audio to the next level. Our latest innovation is sure to revolutionize any vehicle's sound system. We are proud to present the ultimate in sound quality and durability with Audiocontrol's Spike Subwoofers. Revel in powerful bass that will elevate your music experience to new heights and bring a whole new dimension of sound into your car. These mighty woofers pack a serious punch with high excursion capabilities for ultra-low bass output. You won't believe the sound quality produced by the fiber matrix paper cone with mica coating. It's like having a live concert in your car. These subwoofers feature a structurally rigid, heavy-duty voice coil that in the 8-inch woofer can handle an impressive 500 watts of continuous power, and in the 10 and 12-inch woofers steps up to a whopping 700 watts of continuous power handling. That means you can turn up the volume and still enjoy heart-pounding bass that's free from distortion. And with the dual damping system, you'll enjoy linear bass reproduction that's second to none. Plus, the dual cap system provides enclosure compression control to further reduce distortion and make sure that every note is as clean as can be. Each Spike subwoofer comes with a protective grille to keep it safe from damage, so you can enjoy your journey with peace of mind. Spike woofers are now available in 8-inch, 10-inch, and 12-inch sizes.